Hello everyone. Today we shall look into the scenario where we could calculate the running total for categorical values. Here I have sales table. I'll select a table visual, and in the table visual I'll bring in the country. Let us bring the total sales, which is calculated in a measure which is sum of sales. I have this total sales measure which is calculated. Here you could see that for every country I have respective sales. Okay, and here you could see that. Now let us write a measure for calculating the running total. I'll select on the measure table, create a new measure. To calculate the running total, let us take the help of rankx function. Here I'll write running total equal to, here I'll create a variable where I'll write rank1 equal to, I'll use rankx function where I would calculate the rank. Okay, here in the table I'll use all sales country column because I have taken the country column, and to remove filters I have used all function. And in the expression I would write the total sales, which is my sum of sales. I would skip this value parameter. The order I want it in descending order, since I want to find the descending order sales. And with if at all there are ties, I would use this dense condition. I'll close the parenthesis. Here in the output I will return rank 1, and we shall commit and see the output. Here you could see the running total where you could sort it out based upon the order. You could see till Venezuela we have 24 countries, and the running total we have the rank where our running total yet has to be calculated. Here what I'll do is, after this rank 1 variable I'll create another variable. Let us name it as output equal to, I'll use calculate. In the expression I'll calculate total sales. Okay, in the result, in the filter argument, what I would like to write is filter. Okay, in the filter function I would have the table parameter where I would include the same sales country column. Okay, and here in the filter expression I would write rank 1, which is the variable which I have written, greater than or equal to. Let us copy this rank x measure which we have written, like the function which we have written, and paste it over here. To shift these values you could select it and press tab space. You could press tab so that it would move accordingly. I could hit shift enter. Okay, I could close the parenthesis of filter. I could close the parenthesis of calculate. Now let us understand. Here we have brought the rank by using the rankx function. Now what we are doing is we are creating the table where we have find we have to find the all the products or the all the countries where we have the respective ranks below the current rank which has been calculated, so that it could help us sum total or running total for all the previous values based upon the rank. In the return output, here I'll write output. I'll commit. Now you could see that our running total is calculated appropriately. For Colombo it is 6945800. For here we have the running total for first one as 6945800. And as we progress to the bottom, you could see that all the values are cumulated, so it is the running total. Our total may not be correct, but if you scroll down you could notice that the end total which you could see here, 127 million, it is appropriate. Okay, this is how we calculate running total using the measure for categorical values. Please practice. We shall meet in the next video.